morning, everyone. Happy Father's Day to all fathers out there. And what we have right now is an iPhone 7 Plus. As to which, I don't have to explain much about what happened to the screen. This is for a friend of mine, and he asked me if I could replace the screen. And so here we are. Alright, the only problem here is the screen. As you can see, the touch is working well. I can unlock this phone. This is fully functional. I asked him to back this up already, so when the screen replacement is complete, you can just restore it. So everything works fine. It looks good, the battery and all. So I will not be showing you the boring stuff of how to open this up and on the inside, but I'll just go on a time lapse so you can see how I open this and replace the screen. Alright, so that was a quick one. We have the phone open right now, and there's concerns I have right now because I think this phone might have been opened or touched previously, because I quickly noticed this there's a missing screw right here. By the way, you have to use a special type of screwdriver right here. That's what you call a tri-point screw, which has like a delta type of footprint to it. As you can see, I think we're missing two screws right here, and then a metal plate supposedly covering this bunch of Lego connectors right here, and it's not there. So I have to verify with the guy if this is opened already, or as you can see, there's another screw missing right there. But anyway, we'll just continue separating this screen from the rest of the phone. As part of screen replacement, we have to transfer this home button to the new screen, and then this earpiece and camera assembly right here to the new screen. We'll just go ahead and do that. I'll again jump into hyperlapse mode so as not to bore you with the details, and I'll just pause and give you some important points that we have to do on this repair. This is now the replacement screen right here. Cost me around 900, I think. That's in Philippine peso right there. First up, we have to transfer this earpiece connector right here to here. And then we have to transfer also this home button assembly here to here. And then we have to transfer this thin back plate, sorry for the glare, backplate layer right here attached with these 6 or 5 screws right there. I'll go ahead again, go on hyperlapse, and then once we're done, I'll show you the final assembly. Okay, so after about an hour or two, here's the phone right now. The screen looks great. It's brand new. It's working perfectly. On the difficulty, it's on the average, because the easy part will be the screen removal, because it's already broken. If it's a working screen and not damaged, removal of the screen might be a little bit difficult, because you have to take care of the screen not to break it. But since this is already broken, so that's quite easy. And it took a little bit longer because I have to also transfer this earpiece seal right here, because the one that came with the new screen won't fit. It won't really fit into place, so I have to also replace that one, and it took me a while longer to do that. Nonetheless, I had fun doing it. I'm not charging anything for these repairs. I'm just doing it for fun and learning from it. Okay, so with that, I hope you learned something as well, and have a good day.